Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am here today to show you in the video how to start when you want to design, how to start. Actually, when you want to design building, you must to learn before how to draw plan, how to draw many kinds of drawing. When you want to start your project, you must to know 8 steps. First, you will going to see another example for the type of your project. For example, you have a commercial center. You must to study about similar cases about commercial center around the world, or in regional or in local. Actually, we have 8 steps to analyze your site. First, to analyze the site. Second, to make your concept for the building. Third, drawing your concept. 5, drawing a plan for your concept. 6, drawing elevation for your concept, and drawing sections for your concept inside the building, and drawing 3D or make a model for 3D. This is the steps and how to design a building, and now we will explain you how I draw some example before. Now we will show you the first step is studying similar case study. For example, here for the project what I do it before. For example, here we have 4 case study, 2 local and 2 regional. You can make it mini case study to understand to understand similar for your project. You can see here, this is Panorama Mall in Riyadh. You can see the plan here, how he make the plan, and here this is from inside to understand how we make a section, and what is the bad things and what is the good things to avoid it, and how to use the glasses here. You can see the glass here, and the shape how it should come in this 2 road. And here the another case study. This is Panorama. This is Rimal Center in Riyadh also. How it make it this plan, and why he take it, why he make it this size for each shape. And here the elevation, how it make it. This is the main entrance, and here what is the bad things here. This is from inside, and this blank, and what is the surrounding plan. This is the bad things and good things. This is another example in UAE. This is how he used Islamic style here, and why he put it the door here. What is the good things here? What is the good things here, and what is the bad things? You can choose the color to a bit difference between the good things and the bad things. This is in Iran. This is why he make it dome here, and why he make it the entrance like this, and why he put it this door here. To understand how your project it will come like this, and to get the positive things, and to avoid the negative things. This is about similar case study. Now we are going to the second step, which is analysis, which is site analysis. For example, here, first drawing here, you understand where is the location. First, you will get it the location from Google Map or Google Earth, and to understand your location from the top, from the far or from the top. You can drawing like this the main roads around your site here. This is, for example, your site. This is the road, and here the road, the big road in the first drawing. This is the to schedule about this information, where this road going, and the name of this three main roads. This drawing, the name of this drawing is site location. The second drawing is about site and site surrounding. Also, you show all these things in Google Map, and you must to going to this site to show the surrounding building. For example, here, this is a neighbor. You can see here the some building maybe will affect in your design. So you must to understand what the building around your site. You can, for example, in this is the site. You understand what is this. For example, here free area. What is this? Is apartment. How it will affect in your commercial center when you design it here, and here another commercial center. Why? How will affect in your design, and this two road how will affect when people come. This is about surrounding things. This is the name of all this surrounding. I put it with color. You can make it with color or with number or what you want, but you must to understand each the surrounding building, because maybe will affect in your design when you build your design here. The second drawing is circulation. When you're drawing about circulation, you must to understand the circulation for trucks and for cars and for buses and for people. You can see here the average of each place, each road. You can see the average in this road, and you can see the average in this road, average the circulation of people or buses or cars, and each circulate with the color. You can see here, for example, here many blue color, because here like this. This is a school, so the buses around the school is very crowded, so will affect in your site here. And here, how will that when you make it entrance for your site here, how will come people will come in your site here? How will come to your building when you put it here? And why you put it here? Because circulation come here. This is all things about the circulation. For cars, and in general for cars and for people, because these two things will come to your site. The last drawing about the sun and winds movement. For sun and winds movement, you must understand how the sun come to your building when you design it, and how the winds will come to your design. For sun, you must to understand how will come. Maybe your building we will put it here. So when the sun come here, you will understand the shadow will come here. When the sun come from here, the shadow will come here. And we have two sun in the center, in the summer and in the winter. In the winter is near from the earth, and in the winter, in the winter is far. You can see here we have four in this site. We have four winds. For example, here the blue color is rainy winds. The yellow color is summer winds, and the some of types of winds how will affect in your when you design your building here. This is for drawing. You must understand to good understand for this site, because when you put it your building, you will understand how your building will affect in the other building, and how will affect by the winds, and how will affect by the sun, and how will affect by the circulation, and will affect by the three main roads. This is all the things about the site analysis for your site when you design it. Now we will talk about third and fourth step. The fourth is how you make your concept. When you for this commercial center, when you want to make doing concept, you must to divide your program inside the building. You can see here the bubble diagram for the house, the circulation inside the building will come. For example, here show area in green color, and in red color is the surface things, and so on. And here you can see a flow diagram. How will you come from entrance from the road, and how you go to surface parking and visitor parking, and how you will come to show area. You will pass on lobby, and you will pass on food court, and so on. You can when you come to make the shape of your building, you will come by this step. This shape is very big. For this big things is show area. So show areas will come in this side, in this shape, and for example here in this shape, I divided in this project. I divided the surfaces is two shape. This here and here. So I put it two shape here for building, and so on. So I get it this shape in the final. You can see this shape. The next is concept plan. Is how to the sun come from my design of building, and how the sun, the light, how it come from the window, from the glasses, and the shadow, how will it come for the building when the sun is here. The shadow will come directly from the back here. You can see here, this is the shadow, and this is how the sun it will come for the window. The last is internal concept. Each things inside the building, I write it the name inside. For example, here the food court. This is the show area. This is how shown here. This is when I divide the show area in internal concept, and other program, how I divide it inside the internal concept. Next, we will go to the plan. How to do plan. When you finish your concept, you're going to doing a plan. The plan same the concept, but with scale, with a dimension. You make it all the divided things inside your design inside the building with a scale, with the dimension for each space. This is for concept, and this is for a plan. Now we will talk about the last two steps, which is the section and elevation. You can draw 3 or 4 elevation for your building. I choose here in this project. I choose 3 elevation. I choose from this side in the plan, and this side, and the back side here. You can see here the side elevation like this. This is the curve here, and how you make it curve with this line. And they choose like this for like a Islamic style, and this circle like this. I do it in the plan, and this is the main entrance. This is the left side elevation from this side. This is the left side elevation, and this is the back elevation from this side. And I make it 2 sections from this side, from internal side, and from this side here is section AA and section BB from inside. You can see, for example, here the door. You can see here from the internal. You can see this here food court. This is the light inside the food court here. How it will come, and the surface things here when you cut it. This is the section. This is about the section and elevation. In vinyl, you will make it model for these things to show the 3D. This is about all things when you want to design the project. Thank you for showing me.